Where is it? Did it fly away?
No. Oh! The geese don't want it there.
I'm gonna get closer. It's definitely gonna fly around a lot with all these geese here. There's a, what a gorgeous bird. I'm ready to take snaps of it too in flight. Fly again, bro. Maybe it got too close to their nest and that's why they ran over. Wow. He's up in the tree now. I'm gonna unpause it. He's up in the tree. You wanna fly one more time? He's right. He's right there. Bam, bam, bam. Got him. Coming right at us. Look at that. Wow. Catch him coming out. Oh, there he goes. I lost him. Well, that's good enough.